Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to know if your Venmo account is frozen. I've gotten a lot of questions about this recently, so I thought it would be helpful to do a video on it. So, let's get started. What is Venmo? Before we get into how to know if your Venmo account is frozen, let's first talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone some money. How does Venmo work? To use Venmo, you need to create an account and link your bank account or debit card. Once you've done that, you can start sending and receiving money. To send money, you just need to enter the recipient's email address or phone number, the amount you want to send, and a note, optional. To receive money, you just need to accept the payment request. Why would your Venmo account be frozen? There are a few reasons why your Venmo account might be frozen. The most common reasons are: you violated Venmo's terms of service. This could include things like sending or receiving money for illegal activities, using someone else's account, or engaging in fraudulent activity. Your account is being investigated for suspicious activity. This could be due to a report from another user or from Venmo's own fraud detection system. Your account is being used for money laundering. This is a serious crime, and Venmo will take action to prevent it. How to know if your Venmo account is frozen? There are a few ways to know if your Venmo account is frozen. Check your email. Venmo will send you an email if your account is frozen. The email will explain why your account was frozen and what you need to do to get it unfrozen. 1. MyBankGeek.com. MyBankGeek.com. Try to log into your Venmo account. If you can't log into your account, it's likely because it's frozen. Check your bank account. If you try to send or receive money from your Venmo account and the transaction is declined, it's likely because your account is frozen. What to do if your Venmo account is frozen? If your Venmo account is frozen, there are a few things you can do. Read the email that Venmo sent you. The email will explain why your account was frozen and what you need to do to get it unfrozen. Contact Venmo customer support. You can contact Venmo customer support by phone or email. Wait for Venmo to unfreeze your account. In some cases, Venmo will unfreeze your account on its own. This can take up to a few weeks. How to prevent your Venmo account from being frozen? There are a few things you can do to help prevent your Venmo account from being frozen. Follow Venmo's terms of service. This means only using your account for legitimate purposes. Be careful when sending or receiving money. Only send or receive money from people you trust. Monitor your account activity. Keep an eye on your account activity to make sure there are no suspicious transactions. Report suspicious activity. If you see any suspicious activity on your Venmo account, report it to Venmo immediately. I hope this video has helped you understand how to know if your Venmo account is frozen and what to do if it is. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.